G'day YouTube watchers, home renovators, moving to Ireland curious. The day's nearly over. Oh, you can see that hole is still up there. It's supposed to be a door, remember? I had to charge the battery. In the meantime, I found that the piece of plastic I was going to be using is only 2 foot wide, 60 centimeters, and the hole is over 80 centimeters across. So while I thought I had it all under lock, I don't, which means I actually put together this framework, and it has a big wooden frame with that one piece of plastic in the middle. And instead of my grand plan of it being a door, it's going to just be a window. Of course later on it will be a door, maybe there'll be a platform outside, but for now it doesn't really make too much sense to make a door because it could rain tonight, and at the very least I could turn this window into a door later on. It's not fixed into the framework, it's fixed onto the framework. You know what that means? It can always be removed, and I can put some hinges on later. I don't know how much of this you're going to be able to see because it's kind of dark in here. So I have to pull this thing out, so I'll put the camera outside as well. Quite an adventure. Alright, so because I have to fix it from the outside, you'll see the video from the outside. I hope you get something out of this, although I've got to say all I did was make a frame and put a bit of plastic on it. It's not really a window, it's not really a door, but it needs to be done because the window fell in, and this is the best option for showing the most light anyway. For now, I don't want to spend too much money. I spent I think 25 bucks or something on a sheet, 8 foot by 2 foot, and I've cut the sheet in half basically, so I can do this to 2 doors. But I'm not really happy with the price. I'd rather a wider sheet because I don't want to overlap them on something so simple. Anyway, watch me put this window on. Right, I tried to put it up. It was about almost an inch too wide and maybe a centimetre too tall. I cut those bits off now with a circular saw. I fixed the edges and now hopefully it fits. That's it. All right. It's a window. At some point I will make a door that's like a window, but for now, that's that. Thanks for watching the channel. Sorry I couldn't come through with the whole project like I thought I would, but if it rains tonight, we're all in big trouble. So that's that. And John Green, Green Ideas, right here in Sligo, Ireland. Leave me a comment if you're curious about what the hell just happened. And that's what it looks like on the inside. Mind you, the sun's going down, so it's getting dark, but yeah, it still looks like a door. It's just not a door right now. You can see out of it quite well. You'll be able to see what's going on. Thanks for tuning in. That was the checkup.